Hey guys, how would you like to make money selling your very own digital art creation? And the best part about this, guys, is that you don't need to have any kind of design skills. You don't need to learn Photoshop. You don't need to learn any kind of complicated softwares for you to be able to create a beautiful looking, and realistic, cinematic, digital art that you can sell for a huge profit. And it's really, really powerful just by only using an artificial intelligence. And that's exactly AIR Empire is all about. Now, this is a step-by-step course that's going to show you guys how to make money creating and selling a beautiful looking cinematic, um, digital art, just like the one that you see in the screen right now. And just basically use your imagination. And just like I said, guys, you don't need to have any kind of design skills. You don't need to learn years, months or even years, learning this complicated software. Just basically entering a command and use your imagination. Just basically, guys, let's say for example this image right here. So this is a combination of sunflower and a glass. So you basically use that command into the software or into this artificial intelligence software, and this software will turn your imagination into this real life beautiful looking, realistic, cinematic, digital art that you can sell, guys, for a huge profit. And this is really, really powerful. It's like I said, EIR Empire is all about creating and selling digital art, guys, to make money online. And there are thousands of people already doing this kind of, strategy to make money online, right? And you can now you can create, any kind of, realistic digital image using your imagination. All right, so this one is like a phantom knight that has this, armor or golden armor right here. So you basically use that combination, command combination, inside of this artificial intelligence, and this artificial intelligence will turn your imagination into a realistic digital art, and you can make money out of that, right? So these are really beautiful, you know digital art that you can produce using an artificial intelligence. This one right here, this one is a really, really beautiful, imagination that you art or digital art that you can create using only your imagination, guys. It's really, really powerful. And just like I said, you don't need to learn, the color corrections. You don't need to learn drawings. You don't need to learn anything about this. You're just basically entering a command into the software, and this software will, produce you this beautiful looking digital art and make money. All right, make a lot of money with this. All right. You can also turn your digital art creation, guys, into NFTs. So if you wanted to make money selling NFTs or buying and selling NFTs, then this is really, really powerful, guys. You can create this beautiful looking images right here, guys, without you just by using only your imagination, guys. And you just basically passing your imagination into this artificial intelligence, and this software will turn your imagination into reality, just like this one right here. This one is a realistic fax right here. It's 3D render fax. It's really, really, beautiful image right here, like this one right here, which is a phantom knight that has this armor, golden armor right here. And you can create this, guys, just by using a command, just like I said, just using a combination of command, and you can produce this out of this world images, guys, in just a blink of an eye. Just you basically watch the software in front of your eyes, doing its magic and turning your imagination into a reality. It is really very powerful. All right, this is actually a step-by-step training guide. Just gonna show you guys how to create digital art using a robot, and you can learn this, and you can make a ton of money with this, guys. Selling this kind of digital art, guys. And inside of the training program as well, guys, you're gonna learn how to create your portfolio for free, and then you're gonna learn, guys, how to. It's really, really important how to sell and make money with your digital art creation, and it's really, really powerful, guys. My mind is blown with this application, guys, and This can really help you guys if you wanted to use this strategy to make money online selling digital art. Then this is one of the best course that you can get in right now if you guys wanted to make money creating and selling digital art without you having to lift your finger. Just basically use this artificial intelligence to produce this beautiful looking, realistic, out of this world digital art and turning this art into money. All right, so if you guys would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you access guys to this awesome bonuses right here that will really help you guys out get more success with AI art empire. My bonus number one guys, now Alessandro is going to show you where and how to sell your digital art, and then I'm going to give you access guys to two more additional places that you can sell your digital art for a huge profit. All right, so this is an additional option if you want to make more money guys. You can also sell your digital art into this marketplace right here and make a huge profit. So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to 30 additional list of commands that can help you guys generate high quality, out of this world, unique digital art. So um, Alessandro is gonna show you guys, these commands that you can use to produce this high quality, beautiful looking digital art. Then I'm gonna give you as well to this additional 30 list of commands that you can use as well, guys. That way you can also produce more high quality, out of this world digital art and make a lot of money. All right. My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you access to a software. My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna show you how to create an NFT art collection using only Canva. So I have this video training that is gonna show you guys exactly step-by-step process on how to create an NFT art collection using only Canva. If you don't know what is Canva, it's basically a graphic design software. And the best part, it is 100% free. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to create your NFT art collection using only Canva, right? My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you access to this NFT software generator. It's gonna generate thousands of NFTs in just a single click, right? It's really, really powerful, guys. You don't need to have any kind of design skills to generate these thousands on NFTs, and you can also sell this NFT art collection that you generate using this application to Fiverr, to freelance marketplaces, guys, and make a ton of money. Right, so those are all of my bonuses. If you guys would love to pick up Art Empire through the link down in the description of this video, when you guys click that link, it's gonna take you guys to this page right here. We'll be able to learn more about AI Art Empires. Now, just like I said, guys, AI Art Empires all about, it's basically a step-by-step training program. It's gonna show you guys how to turn your imagination into a real life, you know, digital art that you can, sell and make a huge amount of money without you having to have any kind of design skills or learning years, using these complicated softwares like Photoshop and these other complicated softwares out there. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this review. And just like I said, if you guys would love to pick it up through the link down in the description of this video, you get access as well to these additional useful bonuses that will really help you guys out get great result with AI Impact. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.